In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Perplexity research automatically for you by converting a thread into a task. This is an incredibly useful trick if you want to streamline your research process, especially when it comes to keeping up to date with dynamic topics like cryptocurrency market movements. So, let's jump right into it. First, we'll need to start by accessing Google from your web browser. This is something most of us do several times a day, but I'm mentioning it to ensure we're on the same page from the get-go. Once you're on Google, go ahead and type in Perplexity in the search bar. This helps us locate the specific tool we'll be using today for automating our research tasks. When search results appear, look for the official Perplexity website and click on it. You can usually find it at the top of your search results. Navigating to the right site is crucial because we want to ensure we're using the correct platform for efficiency. Now that you're on the Perplexity site, it's time to create a prompt. This is essentially what you want the site to help you research. For our example today, let's use "Update me on cryptocurrency market movements." This step is vital because a well-crafted prompt will steer the type of information you get back, making your research efforts much more effective. Once your prompt is ready, hit the Submit button. This will send your prompt to the system, triggering it to generate the information you need. This step is straightforward but crucial as it initiates the core functionality of Perplexity. With the response generated, you'll see 3 dots in the upper right side of your screen. Click on this symbol. It often represents additional options or settings in many applications, and in this case, it will lead us to our next important step. From the menu that appears after clicking the 3 dots, select Create Task. This is the step where you convert your research prompt into a task that the system will handle automatically, thus simplifying your workload. Now, you'll have the option to set when you want to receive updates for this task. This is incredibly useful for staying updated without having to manually check back. Choose the timing that best fits your schedule and your information needs. After setting your desired update frequency, click on button Save. This will ensure all the configurations you've made are locked in and your task is ready to go. To verify that everything is set up correctly, take a moment to click on your profile icon, usually found on the lower left. This will open up your personal settings and options. From there, find and click on the Tasks section. Here, you should see the task you've just created, confirming that your settings are active and updates will be rolling in according to your specified schedule. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to make Perplexity automatically research for you, converting simple prompts into actionable tasks. This powerful tool can really enhance the way you gather and manage information, making sure you stay informed and ahead of the curve.